In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add reviews to Shopify. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to place a review feature, like a star rating or a full review widget, onto your product page using the theme editor. Before you start, make sure you have already installed a reviews app because the blocks you add in a moment will come from that app. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you manage the design that shoppers see. On your current theme, click Customize. This opens the visual editor for your storefront, and it lets you add and rearrange content without touching code. At the top of the editor, you will see a drop-down menu that controls which template you are editing. Open that drop-down, choose Products, and then select Default Product. This is important because you want the reviews to appear on your product page, not on your homepage or another template. If you have multiple product templates, make sure you are editing the one most of your products actually use. Next, look to the left sidebar. This is where your page layout is listed, including sections and blocks. Click Add Block or Add Section, depending on what your theme supports in that area. Some themes let you add a reviews element as a block within an existing product information section, while others may require adding a separate section. In the list of available options, find the block provided by your reviews app. It is often labeled something like Review Widget or Star Rating. Select the one that matches what you want to display. Star ratings are usually placed near the product title or price, while a full review widget is commonly placed farther down the page where customers can read and write reviews. After you add it, drag the new block to your preferred position. Take a moment to place it where it feels natural and easy to see. Finally, click Save in the top corner to publish the change to your live theme. That covers everything you need to know.